Hello, welcome to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I had documented some stuff in here, and all the time I was doing it I thought my video was running, and unfortunately it wasn't. So the SIM card is actually broken now, so I couldn't upload it, unfortunately, but I just come on to show you what I have done so far, because as I said last week, I'm really trying to junk journal on a Tuesday and Fridays. So this is what I've done for today. Let's see. I had to go out and get a new SIM card. Had to order it on a click and collect, and I've got it, and that's what I'm using now to show you what I've done so far. Right, so I have done this so far. Really wanted to keep this. It was a card from my daughter. It should say thank you for everything, Mum. And I really liked it, and I used some scrapbook paper and some washi tape here to cover this because it was just white. But this is a pocket, as you can see there, and she's so cute with her bow. Oh, lovely. And then I did the happy birthday from the pet. That was from Archie for my birthday last year, and I covered this with some scrapbook paper and some washi tape as well. I thought, because it was plain white, so I thought I'd use up the scrapbook paper. And then this card is from my daughter again, the same one actually, the second one. And this one is a Happy Mother's Day card. I really love this card. It says Mother, M-U-H-T-H-E-R, noun, a woman who has eyes in the back of her head, coordinator of the chaos, her love is unconditional, see also superwoman, strong, not your maid. I love that. And she sent me a message in here, so I really enjoyed doing sticking this down. And this is the envelope that came with it. I just thought, let me keep it together just in case I get anything else from her I can stuff in here. It did have Mom at the front of it, but because I've glued it down on that side, you can't see anymore. And I used some of these gems, these sticky gems, to embellish it. And I will, as I go along, embellish these ones as well. But that is what I used. More washi tape here. I used this basket full of washi tapes. As you know, I'm on a journey to get these washi tapes out. These I've had from 2018 when I went to New Zealand. This is from Daiso. These are from Daiso as well, the fabric sticky ones. I've got to use them. I must use them. I fancy using them in my faith journals, actually. Yeah, I had a lot more. I've used up quite a few of them. See, all these ones are from New Zealand. This is a package from washi tape from Daiso's. Yeah, that was a beautiful journey, that was. And here's some more washi tape. So I am in the process of using them up, getting them out to do some work. They need to do some work. So these are from, yeah, my washi stash. And I had to put some glue stick on the washi tape so it can keep together. And I did put some washi, some glue stick on these pink rainbow washi tapes as well. Rainbows and stars. So pretty, really pretty. And that is my installment for today. Tuesday I will be back, please God, with another installment of it. I really want to make a new junk journal as well for all my happy mail that I receive in the post, because I've just got them here all ready to go. I've got a couple that I put in here. It wasn't by accident. They were just so lovely, right in my face, looking at me, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to put them in. But I really do need another journal to put all my happy mail in, and so I'm working on that. I'll be joining the group, the masterboard group, the ending of March as well, so I'm getting my masterboard supplies all together for that. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.